Today we are going to unbox the new Apple MacBook Air, and as you can see, this is the MacBook Air, and this is the M1 chip MacBook Air, the new M1 chip MacBook Air, which I have got today. As you can see, this is the box. See, MacBook Air, and this is the manufactured by Apple Inc., 1 Apple Parkway, Cupertino, USA, imported by Apple India Private Limited, 19th floor, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Generic name notebook computer. Then there is the net quantity of everything given, that is the MacBook Air 1 in number, power adapter 1 in number, cable 1 in number, and then there is the capacity 256 GB, and then there is the price 99,000 is the price, and month and year of manufacture June 2022. Dimensions are also given, width, height and depth. Now for customer support, contact this is this side. Then I will move on to the other side. This is the Apple logo. Third side, this is MacBook Air written here, MacBook Air, and the fourth side is this again Apple logo. So now we will unbox it. This is the warranty card which I received with it. This is inside the envelope, so I will move it aside. Then we have to open this now, so let's open. It's a bit hard to open. So now I have opened it, and you can see this is the new MacBook Air here. This is the upper layer that is there for not so that the upper layer is not scratched of the laptop. So dimensions, I you can see in the box, see on the box, outside box, which is written on the outside box. Now just let's take it out, MacBook Air. So as you can see here, this is it. This is the Apple logo and the MacBook, which is and the MacBook Air, new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. This is the side profile, very thin and light. As you can see here, this is the side profile, very thin and light, this laptop. And let's see what else we get in this. So this is the warranty card and some of the paperworks. It is written designed by Apple in California, as you can see here, designed by Apple in California. Then we will keep it aside. Then this is the charger. This is the charger which we get along with it. It's a good charger. And this is the charging cable. I have unboxed. This is the charging cable which we get. It is a fat charging cable, fast charging cable, so it's good. This is all we get with MacBook, and this is the laptop. That is the new MacBook. So this is all what we get with the new MacBook Air, and hope I will review this in the next videos. So I hope to see you in the next video.